Okay, guys, we have already been working today. It is, I don't know, 10:30, 10:40 in the morning, and what's happening today is the pews are starting to disappear.
They are?
We put them up for sale last night, and I think all 16 of them sold within about an hour and a half. So today, people are coming to pick them up, except for this one in the back. That one's ours. Anyway, so hopefully by the end of the day, this will be a nice big open room, and we just have this stuff here that we need to find new homes for, if we can. And after that, we will start removing carpet and stuff. All right, I will update you guys this afternoon. Okay, guys, so I forgot to turn my mic on. All right, guys, so this room suddenly looks a lot bigger. We've got 3 pews left, and I think most of them are spoken for. This one is definitely spoken for. We had the granddaughter of the lady that used to own this place and was the wife of the pastor. She stopped by, and she is purchasing this one. And then I believe another lady is coming either tomorrow or the day after. She's going to get one of these two. And I have somebody coming tomorrow that's going to be taking a look at the books. So hopefully most of those will find a new home. And that just leaves a couple of small things that we still got to find homes for. Well, that's not small. I'm not sure that one's going to find a home. That's a really old big printer. Anyways, so looks a lot bigger. Would you like to dance in the middle of the floor?
There you go, that's my white people dancing for the day.
That's your white people dance for the day. All right, so that's pretty much all we got done today. Today is a very short video because I didn't want to film people, because then I'd have to ask everybody's permission, and that would have been a big hassle. Anyways, so let's come down this way. I'll show you how the room looks like from the other view. Pretty empty. All right. So next week we'll probably be working on carpet, would be my guess. Okay, guys. So let's see, the 30th, which is the day we were removing the pews. That was Thursday, and I shouldn't have been moving those because I really ended up messing up my back on Thursday. And Friday and Saturday, I was also helping doing some other stuff where I had to move things around and pick up stuff, mostly Friday. So Saturday I took a break and my back started feeling better, and Sunday I had to move some more stuff, so my back hurts again here on Monday. Anyways, I promised that I would share these with you when we got them. And these are just the preliminary I can talk, really. These are the preliminary drawings. So, this first one here is the lower floor. And I kind of wanted to show you guys what we're contending with, so to speak, because don't merge, thank you. This lower floor, as you can see, there are some differences in the bedroom sizes and stuff like that. I mean, for the most part, they're identical. We tried to keep them as identical as possible, but what we're dealing with here, if I wasn't on my text, is a couple of walls. And it's this wall right here this one right here, which I think goes about to there actually. Oops. This one here. This one here. And this one here. Those 4 walls are brick, so we can't really move them. I'm pretty sure that those are load-bearing walls, at least most of them, and so we had to kind of work around them. And other than that, take you for a little tour here. So we have the entrance here. This is for the 2 downstairs apartments, and this door won't be there. There's no reason to have a door there because they have a door up here. The doors are right there. And this will actually probably be a folding door just to save on space. And these will be folding doors here. This door actually needs to open in. And another folding door, another folding door. That one door already opens in. I mean, there's not a whole ton of room. Well, it should be, actually, it should be around, somewhere around 700 square feet, so it's not bad. Let's see, the other thing that we're going to be changing here, get a different color here. Alright. They only have, like, the dryer in here, but I measured that, and I am relatively certain that we can put the dryer along this wall, and we can actually put the washer along this wall, and there should be enough room for everything to open and close and drain. So this is the lower floor. I mean, there's not a whole lot of counter space in the kitchen, but there's not much we can do about that. And I just realized these kitchens aren't identical. I'm wondering why that is. It looks like they were trying to make more walkway space up here, like through here, but then they didn't do that as much down here. Now I'm wondering if I need to ask them about that, because I kind of like these two to be identical, but yeah, I can always talk to the builder about that too. So, oh, and I guess the last thing is this back here. This is for we'll actually have water heaters. We're using the tankless water heaters for each unit, and then of course they'll have their own electrical, so this isn't really storage, this is maintenance. So that's the lower floor, and let me show you the upper floor. The upper floor is actually pretty simple. So we have the entrances here. Whoops, I have this on the wrong setting. RGB, please. Yes, don't flatten. Thank you. So this goes downstairs to the lower floor. You've probably seen me with the camera going up and down these stairs. We might actually have to redo those stairs because they're really wide, which is kind of nice, but at the same time, they're not up to code. So we may have to actually tear those stairs out and redo them. I'm hoping we don't. So once again, we have closets. I'm going to put in folding doors just to save on space. Here. I'm going to put it actually in a folding door here. Actually, you know, I've been thinking about it, and if you comment below, I'd like to hear your opinions. I was thinking about putting in 2 swing doors, you know, kind of like the old saloon doors or something, that are actually have the top exposed, because see, there is a window right here. There's a window right here, and on both sides. So, you know, the bathroom is the only one that doesn't have a window, but if you put in the swing style doors where the top of it's not enclosed all the way, then you'd actually have a little bit of light at least coming into the bathroom area, so that when you open the door it's not completely pitch black, unless of course it's nighttime. And let's see, the kitchen area. Kitchen area is not too bad. You have to have their table over here somewhere, but I think they can live with that. So anyways, these are the plans that we'll be working with. I already contacted the architect to have them start working on the final versions. Although I may have to call them about that kitchen down there, because I hadn't noticed that it's not identical. I'm not sure which kitchen is better, to tell you the truth. I mean, this one, get my color back here, this one actually looks like it has a little more counter space than this one over here. Which is really strange, because like I said, they should have been identical. Yeah, I'm gonna have to contact them about that. Hopefully they haven't started yet. Yeah, we're excited about this. I think it's pretty easy to see the plans here, so anyhow, yeah, I'd love to hear your comments or your thoughts on these down below. No, I don't want to save, thank you. I still have 2 of those pews left, so Tuesday those are supposed to be picked up. And actually there's 3 of them, so 3 are supposed to be picked up tomorrow on Tuesday. The Bibles and most of the books should be going tomorrow. I have the children's toys might be going tomorrow. And we are probably going to donate the stuffed animals to our local nursing home, because I had a lady contact me saying they really would appreciate the donations, so we'll probably end up doing that. Alright, see you guys next time.